In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to crochet these puff garlands. We're going to start with a slip knot. And we're going to chain one. Now we're going to make another chain, but we're going to pull up this loop nice and tall. So go through and now keep pulling about 2 to 3 centimeters. And now we're going to be working our loops into the same chain here, into the second chain from the start. So hold your loop on your hook, yarn over, now go back to the same chain, yarn over and pull through. Keep it nice and tall, same height as our first loop. That's one. I'm going to do about 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to secure our puff. Going to yarn over, turn our hook down and pull through all the loops on our hook like that. Going to yarn over and secure our puff, and that's our first puff ready. Now we're going to do chain one, but again we're going to pull up a tall loop to start our second puff. So again about 3 centimeters, and again we're going to yarn over and pull through about 5 times into the same chain here. So yarn over into the same chain, yarn over and pull up a tall loop, yarn over, again still working into the same chain, pull up a loop, that's our second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. That's our second puff. Yarn over, turn your hook down and pull through all your loops. Now chain one to secure it. Let's do a few more together. So we're gonna chain one, but we're going to keep pulling the loop up. I like to just hold it to make sure it doesn't go back down on me. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch and pull up a tall loop. That's our first one. Second one, third one, fourth one, to help it along a little bit by pulling it with your hand if you like, and fifth one. Now we're going to yarn over, turn our hook down and pull through all our loops. Oh, I'm struggling here a little bit. There we go. And yarn over and pull through to secure. The chunkier the wool, the chunkier your puffs are going to be. Again, we'll chain one and keep pulling. Hold your loop, yarn over, insert into the same space and pull up another loop. Two, three, four, and five. Bunch them up, yarn over, turn your hook down, pull through all your loops. There we go. I'm just going to carry on exactly like that.